Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cole, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put privacy film or UV film on your door. I'm going to be doing the actual install on my back door because this one already has the film on it, and this is just for demonstration purposes to show you what it looks like with the complete product. So as you can see through, but if we come on the outside here, it's reflective, you can't see it. All right guys, so let's get started with the install. So for this project, you're gonna need a couple of items. First off, you're gonna need a window cleaner. You're also gonna need a squeegee or paper towel, something to clean off the window itself. And then you're gonna need some soapy water. I just used an empty container. Anything will really work just to get the soapy water on the window. You're also gonna need a razor blade, and then, of course, your film. So our first step is actually just cleaning off the window. I won't bore you with this process, but we're gonna come back after I clean the window. All right, so we have our window nice and clean. Our next step is actually to cut the film. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either take a measuring tape, measure the window, and then cut the film, or you can do what I do and just unravel the film and cut it to around about the size that you need. So we're gonna do that now. So just kind of grab it from both sides and then just unroll it. Right there's about good. There we go. So we need about that much. So I'm gonna get my razor blade and then cut it. Okay, so we have our film cut to size. So the next step is to set this to the side, and then you want to saturate the window in our soapy water mixture. So just spray it all over the window. You can't spray too much. You can literally spray as much as you want on here. You can't mess this step up. It's easy. All right, and then what you're gonna wanna do is take your film and pull the backing off. You probably wanna do this on a flat surface somewhere. So I'm gonna lay this actually on the table and then pull the film off and we'll come back. Okay, so once you have that backing removed, you want to saturate the film with your soapy water mixture. There was one thing that I did not mention that you're gonna need, I apologize, but you're gonna need a card of some kind, just for pushing out the air bubbles and getting everything to fit nice. So just get a credit card or debit card, ID, whatever you have on hand. You're gonna need that for this next step. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and saturate the window one more time with our soapy water mixture, just to make sure it's a really easy install. And then what you want to do is take your film off of your flat surface. And then carefully, loosely apply it to your window. So just kind of push it up in there. Okay. we're on there. Okay, so this next step, we're actually gonna trim the film. So you're gonna take your ID, and then what you're gonna do is push the film up into the corner, and then you're gonna cut on the outside of the ID or card to actually get your final fit. So push it up in there, push your card up in there. Let me get you a little bit closer. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna push up into the corner and then just start trimming. And you're gonna slide it along the top. And then you're gonna cut out like that. All right, so we have that top edge done. Now we're gonna start on the sides here. So I'll back you up just a little bit. And then same process, you wanna push the card into the corner, and then you just wanna run it down. And you're cutting on the outside of the card. It's gonna give you the best finish. All the way down. That side is done. Okay, so the other two sides, you're gonna repeat the same process, and then we'll come right back to the finishing step. All right, so we have our film cut to the window size. Now we need to get all the air bubbles out. So the way that you do that without tearing the film is you wanna spray this soapy water mixture all over the film. So just saturate it really good. And then you're gonna take your card, squeegee, whatever you have, and then you're gonna run it to the sides. Just push all the air bubbles. And then you're gonna continue that process all the way down until all the air bubbles are gone. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have all of the air bubbles removed from the film. It's completely done. There is some water behind the film itself, but that will dry over time. So it's completely normal. But as you can see, this is a UV resistant film, and it's also a privacy film. So you can see through, but you really can't see in from a distance. It's reflective. So when you're up close, since this is a shaded area, you can see inside, but from afar, you really can't see inside. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. And if you wanna see more how-tos in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, y'all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching the video.